Today I am using my Instant Pot Pro to make a healthy meal. This is worth getting if you have a big family or just want to meal prep or make some delicious meals. We have some potatoes, some carrots, chicken broth, then our Instant Pot Pro. So that's gonna fit tons of food. So I'm gonna show you guys just how easy this thing is to use and make a nice healthy meal for you or for the family. Potatoes are officially cut up, rinsed off, and in the pot. And now we have our carrots added. Now I'm just gonna add some seasoning. We've got the max line right there. And we're gonna be putting some chicken breast in here on top of all of this. Now we're just gonna lay our chicken breast in here. Again, season chicken broth down the side. Pressure cook, and here are the settings. You just have to push this down in order to change these settings. 8 minutes. Take the top right here, place it on, press start. And it is all done. Now we can release the pressure. Pressure is almost done being released, and we will know it is done once that little red tab there goes back down. And look at that perfectly cooked food. This is what the chicken looks like when it is done though, perfectly cooked. You could eat it just like this. That is delicious, guys. Turned out perfect. Time to look at the final product. So if you guys are looking at getting one of these Instant Pot Pros, I can't recommend it enough. This thing is amazing and I am so happy that I got it. So if you guys end up getting one, you will not regret it. Thank you guys for watching.